Hit. Hey, yep. Close left side behind a pallet. I know a bad description.
We also got somebody out of position that just here. Ah, fuck, he's fucking us up.
Hit. On 6, on 6. I said I'm wrestling, dude. Oh, that's the entrance to the maze, I think.
Hey, you got one that went in the maze!
Hey, one went in the maze! No, the maze!
How close are they?
You see that pallet, the drums? Just at the drums.
Those drums right there?
Yeah, yeah. To the right of the drums. Good hit.
Dude, that was close.
Ready? Let's move up to the Connex. Ready? Fuck, my battery died.
Actually?
Oh no.
On your optic?
Yeah. Where were they?
Somewhere up in the tree line, like right there. Yeah, in the building. You're not reaching it.
Yeah, I know. I gotta fix my hop up. I think I gotta turn it up or down.
Yeah, more hop.
Or I'll do it when I die.
Reloading.
Building. I don't know where the next good cover is from here.
What do you got?
Huh?
What do you got?
There's
In the
two guys
building.
In the building, deep in the woods.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
There's a building. Oh, hello. Yeah, the thing.
Yeah, they can't reach us either. Let's say remove right. You see some?
I don't know. It's in the corner. I'm not sure if it's ours or not.
Hit.
Oh, they're high.
I don't know how. Woo! Hit.
Two enemies on the black car. Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Woo! Hey. Oh shit.
And there's 4 in the tree line. They're like dug in.
Yeah, on the left side. About 3, 2 in the building, 1 outside, and there's 1 moving up. Bro, whew. Hey, fucking.
Hey, if he's shooting at you, high low, so go
Yeah.
high, and if he shoots at you while you're high, go low.
Yeah, ready?
Yeah. Tree line left, tree line left. Don't stand up, don't stand up. Hit, hit, hit! Oh, no.
Hit! Ah, shit! Three o'clock? Hey, I dropped my pistol. Yeah, you got a guy right here too. Hit. Huh? You're good, dude. What?
Okay, we'll be right behind you.
Hey. Getting shot from the left. Hey, entrance to the maze, just to the left of the maze.
Absolutely not, no thank you. In the maze?
Yeah, at the entrance.
In the container. Green container.
He did? Yeah, you can see his shadow right there. Come on, motherfucker. Hit.
There's Jimmy. What's up, Jim? Right across in the window. Yo, right across in the window. To your right. Oh, yeah.
Still there, Booth. Hey, right in the cemetery.
Hey, who wants to go into the woods? Andrew. Trying to call you Aiden and Aiden. You want to go into the fucking woods? Think somehow? To fucking bullshit run and get to Christmas as fast as possible?
Where's that?
Denver would be those fucking pallets. Huh? I don't fucking know. And quite frankly, I don't give a fuck. Let's do this.
So, I don't want to pop you in the head.
He's straight ahead at the wood. Right this far.
Oh, I gotta hit a note, dude. Whoops. Hey, I'm about to cross. Ah. Coming in, coming in.
Dude, put 100 rounds in like that.
Not calling him? Or you just not hitting him?
No, he called it. Actually. Yeah, one guy about 50 feet. Isn't it broken?
Yeah? Oh shit, I didn't give you this. Oh shit, sorry.
You're good. Oh, he's running,
Shoot left off.
I got left. Here he comes. One guy pallet, 25 feet. He's right behind that stack.
Yeah. I gotta drop my stock. Shooting Oppo here. Like right there?
Yeah, he was right behind that. There's one guy on the right, too, in that fence.
Yeah.
It's taking a while.
Maybe we can get their head. Oh, I think I got one of them. Oh, they're taking shots.
That was our guy. He's walking right.
Yeah, we're
Sorry
taking.
about that, kill guy. I'm blurring up now.
Yeah, I'm fogging pretty bad.
Imagine fogging. Here.
Behind the pallets. 1 o'clock?
Me?
No. See what I'm talking about? If only I had my 203 or shells this game.
There's two of them there.
No, I know.
You want to cover fire? I'm gonna run out. Ready, set, no.
Fuck, sorry. Hey, 3, 2.
I got hit. No fire there.
Do gun hits count here? I'm gonna call that. If you made it to the end of this video, then thank you for tuning in to my first video. Today we played at River City Airsoft. It was a free play weekend due to Joseph from Novritsch coming out and playing with us. I enjoyed my day playing here, and the field was good, but it could use some improvements. The shop they had was remarkable, from the wide selection of guns and equipment they have, as well as a repair station and a snack stand. The staff were very friendly, knowledgeable, and helpful, especially with the amount of players that attended. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and please leave feedback to help me improve my channel. Until next time, this has been MattGonzie.